Hello, math students. Welcome back to Module 1, Ratios and Unit Rates. The name of this lesson today is percent and rates per 100. So we're actually taking our knowledge that we've been learning about rates and we're going to apply them to percents. And if it's a percent, then it means that it has rates per 100. So you know your denominator is always going to be 100 when you're working with percents. Our goal today we are going to learn about percents and their relationships. The question I want you to be thinking about during this lesson is, what does the word percent mean? All right, things to know. Percents are a way to represent a part of a group. The group will always be 100 things. The part will be the amount out of the 100 things. So for example, if there are 100 children, 67 of the children are boys and 33 of them are girls. What part of the children are boys? And so what we're going to do is we're going to create our rate, and it says boys to children. And so for this one, the part of the children that are boys is 67. So we would write 67 out of 100 because that is how many total children there were, and the boys are 67. Okay, what part of the children are girls? And so our rate for this one would be girls to children. And so writing that as a rate, we would put 33 out of 100 because there are 33 out of the children that are girls, okay? So what is the whole amount? The whole amount for these is 100 children because that's how many total children they are. And boys and girls are both children, so that's your whole. So now it says write a ratio of the number of boys to the whole, which is what we just did. So the number of boys to the whole is a ratio would be 67 to 100, and then the number of girls to the whole would be 33 to 100, okay? And believe it or not, what you just did is you wrote a percent. And so what we do, since we always remember that percent means per 100, per cent. Cent in either Latin, I think, maybe, gives us the meaning of 100, and so it says percent. So girls per cent would be 33%. Girls equals 33%, and boys equals 67%. And the reason that we know that is whenever we see a ratio or a rate that has 100 at the bottom, we can think that it's talking about a percent. So 67 out of 100 actually equals 67%, and 33 out of 100 actually equals 33%. So whenever you have a number that's sitting on top of 100, all you have to do is take the numerator and attach a percent sign, okay? And that's how we know that percents are also rates per 100. So going back to our goal, today we are going to learn about percents and their relationships. What does the word percent mean? It means per 100 or divided by, because per is a fancy way to say divided by 100%. Okay? All right, kiddos, that's all I have for you today in this lesson. Hope to see you tomorrow. Bye!